In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a PDF to JPG in Evernote. We're diving into a simple process, step by step, that will allow you to transform your PDF files into JPG images seamlessly. This can be particularly helpful if you need to share parts of a document or use images from your PDFs in presentations or on social media. First, we'll start within the Evernote desktop app, available for both Windows and Mac. Open the app and navigate to the note that contains the PDF file you wish to convert. Once you are in the correct note, your task is to look for the More Actions button. You'll find this button at the top of the note, and it's represented by 3 dots. Clicking on this button will present you with a menu of options. In this menu, you want to select the option labeled Export as PDF. When you do, a prompt will appear asking you to save the file. Choose a location on your device where you'll be able to easily find the PDF later on, and go ahead and save it. Now that you've exported your note as a PDF, it's time to move on to the next phase, which involves converting the PDF pages into JPG images. While Evernote itself doesn't include a built-in PDF to JPG converter, there are several reliable external tools you can use for this purpose. Some of the most popular options include Adobe Acrobat, Small PDF, or various online tools you can find with a quick web search. These converters are user-friendly and efficient, ensuring that your PDFs are converted with high quality. If you already have a PDF reader installed on your computer, you might be in luck. Many PDF readers come equipped with built-in options like Save as JPG or Export Images, which can simplify the process for you. To use one of these external tools or features, open the PDF file using the desired program or online service. Generally, you'll find the option to convert under Export or Save menu sections. Select your desired format, JPG. Follow the tool-specific instructions to complete the conversion, ensuring that your output location is set to a folder where you can easily access the newly created JPG files. So there you have it, a straightforward method to convert PDF files to JPG images using Evernote by leveraging the help of external tools. With this knowledge, you're now ready to take your PDFs and transform them into easily shareable and versatile image files. Whether it's for sharing on social media, creating a presentation, or simply preserving screen captures, you've got the steps to make it happen. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy converting!